Hey traders, welcome to the weekly gold forecast. I'm Aftab, and in this session we are breaking down xauusd gold for the week of 3rd to 7th November 2025. We'll dig down into gold's technical structure, momentum and key level, whether buyers keep control or if the market is setting up for a deeper pullback. As always, no hype, just clean analysis, logical structure and my honest view of where the market stands. Let's begin by looking at the bigger picture. Right here on the monthly time frame, if we see gold is standing right at the edge of a breakout. Traders are divided, sentiment is tense, and one decisive move this week could tell us whether the metal continues its climb or gives back weeks of bullish momentum. This is not the week to guess, it's the week to prepare. As I every time tell every one of you to prepare your trades in advance, so when the right moment come in front of you, you should be prepared for it, and then you can definitely trade it and make profit out of it. But if we are not prepared for a move and without understanding the structure of the market, we jump in just blindly, it can leads us to big losses. So I definitely want to avoid the setups for which I am not already prepared, and that's what I want to communicate to all of you. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame. And on the monthly time frame, last time when I was analyzing the gold US dollar in a market structure video, what I have discussed back then, the market was standing right here, and let me show you that on the daily time frame right here on this candle. I analyzed it and I said that this is the whole situation we can see. So this drop right here, we have observed it, we have seen a double top up there. So then the market dropped, and after the drop, since when we know the market structure, when we know the candlestick patterns, things are easy for us than trading blindly. On the monthly time frame right here, if you see, we have nothing to the left side of the market, and only thing we have is this monthly candle closed, and this monthly candle when it closed, for now we will be assuming this as a resistance with us. The level is 4384.484. if we discuss the monthly candle, the monthly candle no doubt is a very nice bullish candle still, and most of the traders will be taking this candle as a bullish. But obviously we have seen a big rejection, and this is not an ordinary rejection, because right here, if we see it on the weekly time frame, on the weekly, this is a big move on gold to the sell side of the market, and literally everyone was waiting for this move. So 4384.484 became a resistance with us, and obviously we have to find out that whether this market is going back up and create a new high or not. Stay with me, because I will be discussing these other time frames as well. The more time frames the better, but for now let's find out the support levels. So we have got a resistance from the price action confirmation on the monthly time frame. Now for the support, there are technically a lot of the support levels we can draw, but obviously this one is the nearest one. I would like to take it all the way from right here and right here. This is the most ideal one in my opinion. I will be refining the level a little bit on the weekly time frame as well. And yes, on the weekly time frame, the support should look something as this. There is one other level that is broken, and we also haven't seen a retest of this level, and the retest of this level will be 2775.881. so for now, if I do the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci will be giving me one other level that comes in between the resistance and the support. And what is that level? That level is 61.8% retracement at a price of 3602. Now does that mean I'm saying it is dropping till here? Well, stay with me. When I discuss the daily time frame, you will understand what I want to say. So on the weekly time frame, a little bit to the price action side, this candle closed bearish, and slightly engulfing compared to this one. So this whole pattern right here, if we see, these two candles are bearish engulfing compared to this one. So it means the sellers are now in control of the market. These are several levels. I will be further refining them on the lower time frames, such as the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, if we see on the daily time frame, market took a rejection all the way from here till up there, and this is a 61.8% retracement approximately it is. So from here till up there, and we can easily find out 61.8% retracement, which will remain a key level with all of us that we can focus on, and this level is 3892.487. But I would also like to add one more line and make it as a range between 3823 somewhere. Things will further be easy once I discuss the H4 time frame. So on the daily time frame right here, since we have right here a bullish engulfing candle, definitely the bulls will be trying to take interest in it. But if these bulls were real bulls, why the market did not push right here on Friday? This is yet another concept that we have. I want to find out the solution to this on the lower time frame, such as the H4. Now on the H4 right here, if I tell you, there is one thing, and that is a change of character. So change of character I usually find out with the help of trend line. Wherever the bullish trend breaks, this is very simple. When a bullish trend is broken, we can say this is now a change of character right here. Last night, if you have seen my weekly forex forecast video, I also discussed change of character in much detail. Make sure if you guys trade other pairs, you can check that weekly forex forecast as well, so that you understand different methodology. Like for example, on the dollar yen, there will be some other concept going on the euro dollar, there will be another concept going on. So different concepts, but only one strategy and same market structures, right? Just 7 steps formula I have. If you apply that on the charts, you can find out the next move of the market very easily. So right here, a change of character, and a change of character right here occurred near approximately 4150, I should say. And since then this market is dropping. So if this is dropping, and if a trader is going to prepare himself for a sell trade, how that sell trade will look like, let me make the chart a little bit as this. And obviously there is one other concept, and that is the breakout and the retest. So 4025, 4050, this will remain be a key level with all of us in the upcoming week. Why? Because this is right here a break below and a retest level as well. On the Fibonacci grounds, if I discuss it on the Fibonacci grounds, this will be showing us this as a support, which no doubt is as a support, but we have seen that market also can come back down, take another support from right here, and then continue bullish. So how that is going to look like, we have to find out different situations. Now again, I want to tell you, on the daily time frame, there is a bullish engulfing candle, and on the H4 time frame, there is a bearish engulfing candle. So we have to find out that, okay, in such situations, since the market gave us this break below as well, and this is also a change of character with us, now in order for us to become sellers, we have to need some solid proof in order to become a seller. So right here, I will do Fibonacci from the change of character point back to the support right here, and 61.8% retracement I need to find out, and that 61.8% retracement will be right here near 4060. So even if I delete this one, I can say, okay, 4059 approximately, this level is 61.8% retracement, and then right here it will be telling us whether it want to continue further down or it want to give us a breakout. Now remember one more thing, if it gives us a breakout, this will be a tiny range with us to look to the bullish side of the market. And anyways, on the H4 time frame, I don't want to remain bullish above this line, because see, there is a little bit less room with us in which we can make profit. The actual and the good buying level will come if we get a daily close above 4160. Then we will say, okay, this market has re-entered into the range, and then we can look to the buy side of the market. But unless on the H4 the market is trading as this, the first place that can tell us for a bearish one is this one. Obviously, if a good price action confirmation we get, we can become sellers right here. The ABCD pattern will be pointing as this, and this is A to B. This will be 61.8% retracement, and right here near 3800 will be the next support with us that the market potentially can test. Now another thing I want to tell and mention right here, and that is it has gained a bullish momentum right here. So if it gained a bullish momentum right here, obviously it will be showing us a bullish wave, and it can be a bullish trap as well. It can be a real bullish move when the market is open, and when the market keep prints the candles on the lower time frame, that tells us something very deep and meaningful, right? So ideally I will be looking further buys above this as a position trader back to 43.84. Very simple it is. And there is obviously one other Fibonacci number we have, so let me do this precisely as well. Right here 61 is at a price point of approximately this as well, 41.93. So even if I delete this zone, and if I say okay, this is now the nice version and the nice buying opportunity till up there above 41.93 somewhere, okay, by then we will have a break above this trend line as well. And this 61.8% retracement can also be a good selling point with us. So as far as the market is trading below this zone, we can treat this whole as a selling area, but that doesn't mean we are going to sell from right here. We definitely can buy towards these levels of 41.42, 41.93, and obviously this is very closer, so I don't recommend anyone to buy right here, because this is market, anything can happen. Now let me zoom in the chart a little bit, and let's do further study on this to find out that okay, on the lower time frame what is going on, how these bulls came into the market, and how they are going to take it. No doubt the bulls came in on Thursday, and we have got a good rally. We have got on Thursday a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, but right here the volume seems not very promising to the buy side of the market. So right now I can declare this for myself that I'm looking at it this way, that this is a corrective wave with us, correction back to right here, and from right here a selling attack can occur. And in rare situations, because we have also seen the dollar index as well, so on the dollar index as that is also going up, that's why the bulls, those bulls who really understand the market and correlation between the dollar index and the gold, they will be hesitating to buy and enter as a bull into the market. Then obviously if for some reason the market go up till up there, then it will be showing us 3700, but this week I don't want to see that for now. And I also am a little bit neutral for now, because I am properly waiting for a setup. This will be a setup. If I get it, I will be taking it. If I'm stopped out, I'm stopped out. I don't chase it, because I have plenty of good moves from the buy. Now since there is a change of character already present with us, definitely this market can stop me out, but I cannot break the discipline. And the discipline tells us that now this market is in a tight range of selling, so I will be avoid buying as well. And obviously that monthly candle can push back to 41.93. There is one other chance. Let's suppose market take a rejection from here. It can do this as well. That's why I always tell you, don't just blindly trade. These are possibilities, and whichever comes first you can take it. Prepare yourself. And right here, by the time when the market will be up there, let me draw it for all of you right here as this. And when the market come back down till the 61.8% retracement, it can do this as well. Then it's up to you how you manage these trades. I would like to say that yes, even if it is going to go bullish, it has to first test 4063, then drop from there back to 39.53, and then from here make a pattern and continue bullish. These are not exactly precise levels because market is in a downward trend, so it can be easily broken. Try to set realistic stop losses, not very tight, not very big. Try to trade realistic lot sizes as well, so that way you will be safer in the market. And this is it for gold for the upcoming week. I hope all of these levels and what I said you will understand. Remember, if you are a bull, see, you are making profits on the basis of the previous structure that I discussed. You made profits. If you followed Fibonacci, you made profits right here. If you followed the trend line breakout structure and change of character, you were looking for a sell, then this was a sell level. Right now, obviously I can potentially become a seller, but for now I want to stay completely neutral and I want to observe these levels, that okay, how this whole story unfolds in front of us. So this was a weekly forecast. Please give me your feedback in the comment section down below. My WhatsApp number is given in the description. If anyone wants to understand and learn my 7 steps strategy, the simple, the easy and the profitable, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number and I can teach you that on one-on-one Zoom meetings. Thank you so much everyone. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.